3, Queenie May Tingson. Hello, Queenie. Good evening. Now, of course, I learned that you ultimately won the Entourage competition last August 30. Alright, so of course, to those of you here, to all of our audience members who missed the chance to witness the Entourage competition, which is, by the way, a staple, you know, for Miss Vice. So Miss Vice is always unique because of that. What would you like to share to them, just to give them an idea? What did you perform? What was your Entourage about?
My theme was about Rio de Janeiro from Brazil, and it was a colorful, it was sunny, and my dancers were very great, and also my choreographers, Sir Imay Vidal. And if you were not able to watch it, you missed the chance. It was very great, and the girls were very sunny also.
Yes, I bet it was such a display of creativity and passion. Will they be able to see it on Facebook if they will decide to watch it after the night? Nana si mong Facebook page.
I shared it.
She shared it, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so, Queenie, are you ready for your question?
It's now or never.
It's now or never indeed. Please pick one. Alright, here's your question. I'll read it twice. Many farmers' children go to college to take up different courses, leaving farming behind. What advice can you give to young Baisanos who think that farming is not important anymore? Again, many farmers' children go to college to take up different courses, leaving behind farming. What advice can you give to young Baisanos who think that farming is not important anymore?
Thank you. Farmers help a lot of people. They help their children to go to school. They help their family to have foods on their table. When asked about that question, to answer that with more constructive, beneficial, and a sustainable way. This brings a lasting impact, not only for myself, but for everyone. This is Queenie May, and I speak not just a queen, but with a heart. And that is a farmer's purpose. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 3, Queenie May Tingson.